So today we're filming with this lovely car. Stunning spec. We've got the Rossa Corsa, the racing stripes, loving the twin 6-spoke alloys.
No, George, no, it's this one. It's this one.
Oh yeah. So guys, today we're lucky enough to be telling you we're going to be filming with the Ferrari 430. Beautiful car. Between 2003 to 2007 they made them. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. 500 brake horsepower. Rear wheel drive mid-engine. One of my favourite cars. Pininfarina design. Just heaven. Utter heaven. So, we have a £600 option. Red painted calipers, Rossa Corsa paintwork, and the Ferrari Scuderia shields on the side. Another expensive option. Lovely spec. So we're running Potenzas, 285 width, very wide tyre, twin 5-spoke alloys, and we've even got the Ferrari shields on the dust caps. This was one of Ferrari's first cars where they stuck the Mannantino on the wheel. We're covered in options in here. We've got carbon fibre everywhere. We've got the racing bucket seats, the Daytona style with the black and the red stitching. So these racing bucket seats, not only do they really grip you, they're comfortable. They're well made, Italian leather. There's carbon fibre for the racing harnesses if you have that option. The owner doesn't, as he would rather use this as a daily car, and putting harnesses on every time you get in and out of it can be a bit of a faff. So Michael Schumacher worked in the development stages for this car, hence why you'll find the plaque on there that has all his racing career wins to do with Ferrari. So, under the bonnet, we have the 4.3 litre V8, the Testarossa, which means redhead, on the engine. Beautiful, you can see the aluminium structure of the car in this. We have carbon in here, beautiful exhaust, quad exhaust as you would like, 500 brake horsepower at these rear wheels. When you have a 4.3 litre V8 engine, one of the best things about it is the sound. We have the rifled exhaust here, which helps get the exhaust gases out of that engine as quickly and efficiently as possible by keeping it in a direct flow. Let's start it up and get a sound clip. So, a massive thanks to the owner for letting us film with this today. Beautiful car, Rossa Corsa and on a Ferrari, what else can I say?